So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to connect your domain from Namecheap to Hostinger. So the first thing you want to do is go to the left side of your admin panel. And you can see websites as well as domains, horizons, and so on. So from here, click on domains. On domains, you can see your domain portfolio, get a new domain, as well as transfers. Now, in order to get Namecheap's domain or a domain that you've registered with Namecheap, you need to click on transfers. Now you can see domain meets transfer requirements. So over 60 days have passed since the initial domain registration. Domain is unlocked and you have an authorization code. That basically means that it is your domain. So after that, you just need to type out a certain domain you wish to transfer and you can click on transfer. But you will need to also prep that domain within Namecheap. And you can find it through here. So it says Namecheap, domains, and hosting, everything your website needs. So through here, it says buy a domain name. So it's a website that specializes in domain registration. So once you register this domain name, you can see .com 649, .net 1298. You can just register through here, and then once you find your own domains, you can basically prep it or make it ready for a transfer over to the Hostinger domain, and you can then see it listed within your portfolio. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Hostinger or some other topics you might enjoy as well. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye.